Wi-Fi calling allows you to make free calls over a Wi-Fi network instead of using your cellular plan minutes. Calling provides improved coverage, enhanced audio quality, lower costs, roaming savings, and uninterrupted connectivity. To make free calls over, you need a smartphone that supports calling and a mobile carrier that offers this service. To enable Wi-Fi calling, go to your device settings and select the option "Follow the prompts" to complete the setup process. Available in your area, go to your device settings and select the Wi-Fi calling option. You will see a list of available networks. To connect to a network, go to your device settings and select the option, find the network you want to connect to and enter. Issues with calling? Try resetting your device or checking your internet connection. You can also contact your mobile. Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.